Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Beige. If you are new here, welcome. Today's video is going to be a tutorial on this wig that was sent to me from Sogoodhair. I'll have all of their information, the promo code, and direct links down below in the description box. So when I opened up my package, of course I received my wig, but I also received a wig cap, 4 combs, a pair of tweezers, an elastic band, bobby pins, a headscarf, and an eyebrow brush comb duo. So the wig that I'll be working with today is a 12-inch kinky curly 13x4 lace frontal bob. It's 150% density. It does come with a fully plucked hairline as well as bleached knots. The hair looks super natural. I have never tried this length in a kinky curly texture, so I'm super excited to get started with the video. When I first put the wig on my head, this is how it looked. I didn't really know what to do with the wig, but I did know that I wanted to pluck some more hairs from the hairline just to get it looking a little bit more natural. I do want to show you that in the back it does have layers. This definitely reminds me of a TWA hairstyle. I remember my hair being this length. One thing about the frontal is that my hairline comes out a little bit more than the frontal does, so I know that I'm going to have some baby hairs where my temples are. All right, so the first thing that I'm going to do is pluck away some extra density from the hairline. But before plucking away some of that extra density, I did have to co-wash the hair just so that the curls won't be as perfect. And this is going to give me more freedom with plucking the knots. So I'm just going to do the beige method of zigzag plucking and parting to get rid of some of that extra density around the hairline. As you can see, there are a lot of gray hairs on this frontal. I'm just going to grab my tweezers and pluck out those gray hairs as I see them. And yes, I'm just going to continue with the beige method of zigzag plucking around the hairline, and I'll come back and show you guys the results. Okay, so now that the hairline is fully plucked, it's time to tint the lace. I'll be grabbing 2 different lace tint colors. I have one that is labeled scalp, and I'll be using that to spray where my scalp would be on this wig or frontal. And I have one that is labeled skin, and I will be basically spraying that where my skin is, which is where the hairline of the frontal is. So the hairline of the frontal is going to be darker than the rest of the frontal, and this is going to give me the most natural looking install. After spraying 2 layers of the lace tint on the frontal, I'll be grabbing my blow dryer in between each layer. All right, so now it's time to style this wig. I do want to show you guys how the wig looks with absolutely no product in it at all. I did spray it with water first before styling. I feel like it's easier to style kinky curly hair if it is fully saturated with water first. So first I'll be grabbing a section of hair, spraying it with water. Next, I'll be using my detangling comb to fully detangle each section before applying a curling gel. The curling gel of choice today is Eco Styler Olive Oil Gel in the green container. I'll be fully saturating each section with that water and gel, and then grabbing my Denman brush to get these curls to pop. I am obsessed with these curls. They are so beautiful. I love it. I'm obsessed with it. What do you think about these curls? Comment down below in the comment section. So now that we've fully defined the curls on this wig, it's time to install. I'm going to grab the wig and line up the combs and the lace to my head, just making sure that the wig is in its proper placement. I don't know how to feel about how it looks right now. Next, I'm going to grab a pair of scissors and I'm just going to slice the extra lace into 3 sections. I am going to work with the middle section first, so I'm just going to pin the rest of the hair out of my face. I'm grabbing Got2b Ultra Glue Gel in the black tube and applying a thin layer to the middle portion of the frontal. And then I'm going to grab the blow dryer and make sure that the gel is tacky. Grabbing that extra lace, I'm going to place it over the gel and then use the back end of my comb to press the lace into the gel. I'm going to repeat those steps for the left and right sides of this wig, and then I'm going to grab my scarf and allow it to set. So now I'm back and it is time to cut off that extra lace. So I'm going to grab my pair of scissors and I am just going to get as close to the hairline as I can. I love this. This frontal is looking super, super, super natural already. I am super excited to see the final results. I'm just going to take my time and cut that extra lace off and then do some baby hairs where my temples are and put the scarf back on. And then I'll be ready to finish styling this wig. So after finishing my makeup, it's now time to grab my pick and give this hair more volume. Of course, because this is virgin hair, you are able to do a twist out, a braid out, a bantu knot out. You can flat iron it, you can curl it, you can do all of the things that you would do to your own natural hair. You can dye it, bleach it. Anything you want to do to this wig, you have that versatility to do so. The curls are looking a little bit gray on camera, and that's because I'm directly in front of my light. It does not look gray in person. I do have a lot of gel on this wig, but it's not showing up this color in person. It's completely black. But because my lights are on so bright, it just gives off a grayish hint. So just ignore that. I did get a chance to mess around with this wig, and I can say that it looks so natural. It looks like a TWA. It looks like really beautiful, healthy curls. I love it. I did have to get used to the length because I've never had this length in a kinky curly wig before, but it gives me natural hair realness for sure. Comment down below what you think about this wig. Have you ever tried a wig like this? Would you be purchasing this wig? And which hairstyles would you do with this length and this texture? I love the volume and fullness of this wig. I think that because it is so full, it does give you versatility to do different hairstyles, especially because it is a frontal. So you can do like a half up, half down type of hairstyle. You can do two space buns. You can do like a ponytail straight in the back, sleek buns. Like you can do a lot of different hairstyles, and I did create 3 different hairstyles wearing this wig. So keep watching to see the different styles that I came up with, and comment down below in the comment section which was your favorite. As always, thank you so much for watching. I'll have all of the information down below in the description box for you guys to click on. So don't forget to check down below for more information, and I can't wait to see you all in my next video. Bye guys. Yeah, that's right. It's beige,